Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Boy, have we got a special car today, a 1948 Chrysler Town & Country Woody convertible. They say there's about 195 of these that still even exist today. This one here is an excellent example. It's a 3-owner car, one owner from 1960 till about 2010. And this had a body off frame restoration, has all sorts of unique features that I was just surprised to learn about, like a button under the dash that pops open the gas cap. I didn't know they even had such a thing back then. This is a genuine classic car. People use the term it's a classic, but it's actually determined by the Classic Car Club of America. The genuine classics are the big V16 Cadillacs, Duesenbergs. This is one of the last cars that they recognize as a classic. So you can participate in the Classic Car Club of America events and caravans, and it adds value to the car and always will. This is one of the last cars that we received from the Claude O estate. We bought 25 cars from him. All of his cars were in great shape. He had a full-time mechanic. His wife told me he wanted to be able to drive any car at any time. So you get in and it just whisper quiet. You just hit that button, the car runs beautifully. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on this car and every other car we have for sale, along with the monthly finance payment. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, body off the frame. The entire chassis was stripped down. It's painted smooth gloss black. All of the suspension and steering front to back is restored. Every nut and bolt is clean. Every bushing's replaced. You know, ball joints, all the components, front and back, shocks, the rear leaf springs, they got the covers over the springs, all real nice. I'm sure the brake system was replaced, the stuff I could see, brake lines, hoses, that's been replaced. Correct stainless steel exhaust system, has 2 mufflers. They wanted it to be whisper quiet. Has the optional Chrysler tip on the back there. The floors look to be very clean, original floors with a light undercoat on them. The gas tank's painted real nice. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. This has the fluid drive transmission. That's one of the early attempts at an automatic. You can actually drive it somewhat as an automatic. And it also still has a clutch if you wanted to shift. The drive shaft's restored, the rear end looks restored. So under this car, I was very pleasantly surprised to see it's been body off frame restored, and it's nice. The body's excellent. First, I want to mention the wood, we'll get back to it. That's the original wood for this car. It's been restored, not replaced. I think this is polo green, they call it. It's a metal flake. It has nice little tight, like diamond dust is what it looks like. But anyway, this hood looks like it's a mile long. Boy, it's huge. And it's straight. This line is straight all the way down. No dents, no waves, no damage, no rust, no body work showing. This is all fantastic. It's all big, beautiful, clean metal. Now this oak, again, is the original. It's thick, it's substantial, it's in really nice shape. It's been refinished. I mean, a couple of the little edges is pulled apart a little bit, but I mean, this is some really, really fine wood, especially being from 1948. It's in excellent condition. Little bit of the finish right here is a little loose, but that's all nice. Rear fender, metal fender is excellent. This side's just as good, and the paint is polished like glass. It has the silver welting between the fenders. Solid, big, solid, heavy doors. Look how thick that is there. You can just tell when you grab the door. I mean, you ever put your hand on a door and it's that thick? So again, metal is excellent. It has the optional spotlight. It says Mopar right on it. This emblem is sparkling like new. The mirror is beautiful. The windshield's crystal clear. The rubber gasket's soft. This rubber gasket, it's a little hard. I can't tell if it's original or not, but it's in good shape. All these chrome decoration. The grille is excellent. The bumper, the big bumper guards, the hood ornament, the emblem, all this is beautiful. It's all sparkling. I don't even see any rock chips or issues. There's one little chip that's been touched up already. Beautiful sparkling front end. Big white wall tires with a big chrome hubcap. I think that's a cap with a beauty ring. Sparkling. Has an antenna because it does have a factory radio. There is one stone chip in the glass right here. This is all in great shape. There's pictures of the convertible top on the website. It's the same canvas material as the boot here. Boot fits real nice. Top's in excellent shape. Top frame is restored. The inside of the top, all of it's in excellent shape. Again, pictures on the website. Look at these big chrome hinges. Tail light. This is the brake light, and these are your tail lights. All the chrome is sparkling. Town and country painted in the bumper. Optional reverse light. So that's the exterior of the car. I'm telling you, this thing's massive. It's just big. When I was looking down that hood a minute ago, it's like, wow. But let's open it up. We'll show you the inside of this car. I just want to demonstrate an electric gas cap popper. I didn't know they had such a thing back then. That would be an option on this car. I've never seen that on this early of a car. Now the trunk lid, you think it's going to weigh 4,000 pounds? Probably does, but look at this. 2 fingers. I lifted this trunk, and that's thanks to these big rams. 2 big rams with steel brackets lift the trunk up effortlessly. Now let's look at how nice the trunk is. This is their top of the line model. So it's all carpeted floor with bound edges. It's all boxed and upholstered. This is the way it came. Under the trunk lid is even upholstered. You have a full-size white wall tire that matches, and the rim. Got the jack assembly. It even has the rare tool kit. There's wrenches and tools in there that go with the car. Inside the trunk is beautiful. Weather strip is soft. Now I should have mentioned earlier, I forgot, this is the Highlander edition. It has the Scotch plaid upholstery, and it has clear plastic knobs. So it's their top of the line model. Not all of them had the plaid. So it's a door panels. Look how wide that door jamb is. Door panels in excellent shape. The armrest, the leather, the plaid. The cranks are unique. They're very cool. Then the dash is beautiful. It seems to be very functional. I turned the radio on. It came on. The instruments are nice and clean. Nice original steering wheel. But look at the knob on the shifter. It actually has a Chrysler crown on the end of it. The cigarette lighter has the same knob. The lever for the cowl vent, your air conditioning, has the same knob. It's on the turn signal. You have the deluxe heater right here. Down on the floor is a carpet that matches the trunk. And this is your power top. And actually, when you put the e-brake on and you have the key on, this light will flash as another option. It reminds you, hey, dummy, your parking brake's on. Now the seats, this is glove soft leather with the plaid. Seats are nice and plump and firm and rebuilt and feel real good. Now in the the back seat here, There's an interior light, and it comes on with the switch. Both lights light up. So again, a very functional car. The back seat's in excellent shape. Visors are rewrapped in leather. I still can't get over how long this hood is. The engine compartment's completely restored. It's their straight 8 engine. They called the Spitfire. I think it was about 323 cubic inch, making about 130 something horsepower. And you can see it's all authentic and clean. It is the original motor. The numbers are on the side, but it's all detailed out, all the correct brackets, air cleaner, carburetor system. The battery fits in properly. There's a disconnect switch. The firewall and the tags are all there. It does have the sound deadener sprayed on the bottom of the hood. That's the same that's on the bottom of the car. You got 2 big horns, one on each side, and why don't you come around to this side for the heck of it. You can see the carburetor and the manifolds, and all the metal surfaces are painted real nice. That's a very, very nice motor compartment. This car is smooth. I don't even feel a vibration from the motor. There's no clutch chatter. It's just rolling along so smooth here. Now this fluid drive transmission is actually easy to use. I just don't remember how, but it's easy. Smooth. It's balanced nicely going down too, the trunk. And then I can't get over that. Big heavy door, and not heavy, just a massive door. They also have that balance, but you ever close the door holding it like that? And then of course this hood that's as long as a football field. Very excellent car. I'm proud to own it. You can be the next proud owner. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions. They can help arrange delivery to your door. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.